linear systems using the substitution method. Remember, my goal is to isolate my variable or have it by itself, and I can solve one of the equations to do that. Looking at my equations, the only variable that I see by itself is this x. So I can move everything that's on this equation over to the other side to solve. So I have x plus 2y equals 6. When I rewrite that over, I'm subtracting 2y from each side. X is equal to negative 2y plus 6. This means wherever I have x in my second equation, I can substitute it with this value. So let's write down our second equation. Negative 7x plus 3y is equal to negative 8. So I have negative 7 times. Now wherever I have an x, I'm going to substitute it with a different value. Negative 2y plus 6. I'm going to bring over whatever's left over plus 3y equals negative 8. Now I can use distributive property. Negative 7 times negative 2y is positive 14y. Negative 7 times a positive 6 is negative 42. Plus 3y equals negative 8. 14y plus 3y, because they're like terms, can be combined to 17y. 17y minus 42 equals negative 8. Now I can add 42 to each side. And once I've done that, I'm left with 17y equals positive 34. I apologize. And now I can divide each side by 17. Y equals 2. Once I know what y equals, I can substitute the value of y into my second equation to find out the value of x. So let's do that. Let's look at the equation. We had x plus 2y equals 6 and negative 7x plus 3y equals negative 8. So let's substitute it in. We had x plus 2y equals 6. We know 2 times 2 plus x equals 6. 2 times 2 gives me 4. X plus 4 gives me 6. Subtract 4 on each side. X is equal to 2. So now I have a solution. I have an ordered pair 2, 2. And I can check that into both equations to see if it gives me a true statement. Two plus 2 times 2 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 equals 6. It checks. Now let's try the other equation. Negative 7x plus 3y equals negative 8. Negative 7 times 2 plus 3 times 2 equals negative 8. Negative 7 times 2 is negative 14. 3 times 2 is 6. Equals negative 8. Negative 14 plus 6 is negative 8. Negative 8 equals negative 8. Hence my solution checks.